Greetings, warrior. There is a silent battle raging inside your heart right now. When the entire world turns away, you face a profound and difficult choice. You can either collapse in the heavy darkness of self-pity, or you can choose to transform this solitude into a fortress that no one can penetrate. The noise of the crowd is a distraction from the truth of your soul. Real power is found in the moments when you are completely alone. To be a warrior means to master the art of being alone. It is not a punishment, but a training ground for your indomitable human spirit. Rule number 1. Accept solitude as a divine privilege. Seneca once wrote that the quality of your thoughts determines the ultimate happiness of your entire life. When you are alone, you no longer have to perform for the eyes of others. You are finally free to observe the vastness of the universe. In this silence, the masks you wear for society begin to crumble. Comment, "I am free," below if you are ready to face your true self. Stop running from the quiet. It is the only place where you can hear the whispers of wisdom and the strength of your own internal voice. Rule number 2. Build your inner citadel. The external world may be chaotic and unpredictable, but your mind must remain a sacred and impenetrable zone. Do not let the sharp arrows of criticism or the weight of judgment crack the stones of your fortress. You are the architect of your peace. Practice the art of absolute stillness. Spend 10 minutes every single day in total silence, disconnected from the digital world and the opinions of others. Your internal sanctuary is your greatest asset in times of trouble. Guard it with your life and never allow the negativity of others to enter. Rule number 3. Stop seeking the approval of the masses. Epictetus taught that the man who masters his own fears is the only true king. When you no longer need praise to feel valuable, you become the most powerful person in the room. Your worth is inherent and not negotiated. The hunger for validation is a cage that keeps your spirit small. Break the bars by choosing your own path, even if you walk alone. Affirm your independence right now by typing, "I am my own master," in the comments section. Let the world know you belong to yourself. Rule number 4. Maintain discipline in the shadows. Steel is not forged in a comfortable crowd. It is tempered in the heat of isolation. Character is built when no one is watching. It is the ability to say no to your own laziness and yes to your higher purpose. True discipline is the ultimate form of self-love. It is choosing the temporary pain of growth over the permanent and crushing weight of regret. The habits you form in the dark will carry you through the light. Stay consistent, stay focused, and never compromise your standards for ease. Rule number 5. Control your reaction, not the circumstances. The world turning its back on you is their choice. Staying calm is yours alone. Do not waste a single drop of your precious energy on things beyond your control. Focus entirely on your own mind and your own actions. Peace is not the absence of trouble, but the presence of discipline within it. Master your emotions so they do not master your destiny. Write, "I only focus on the internal," if you are ready to let go of external drama and reclaim your mental and emotional sovereignty. Rule number 6. Amor Fati, or the love of fate. Do not just endure the hardships, embrace them as the fuel for your inner fire. Every scar from betrayal or abandonment is a testament to your resilience. Use the pain to sharpen your focus and strengthen your resolve. Loneliness is the forge that turns lead into gold. It strips away the unnecessary until only the core of your strength remains standing. Whatever life throws at you, use it. Turn every obstacle into an opportunity to practice virtue and demonstrate your absolute power of will. Rule number 7. Silence is your ultimate weapon. The weak always feel the need to explain themselves. The strong let their actions speak loudly. When you remain silent, you become a mystery to your enemies. They cannot attack what they do not understand. Your calm is your shield. In the quiet, you can finally hear the truth. Silence is not empty. It is full of the answers you have been searching for elsewhere. Speak only when your words are more beautiful than silence. Otherwise, let your quiet presence be the most intimidating force in the room. Calmness is a terrifying kind of power. When the world turns its back, it is the moment you are truly born again into greatness. You are now part of a long lineage of warriors who found their strength in the dark. You are never truly alone in your struggle. If you have stayed until this very moment, you are among the few who dare to master themselves. You are ready for the path. Join our community of Stoic warriors. Subscribe now to continue building your inner citadel. We will see you in the next training session. Every day is a brick in your fortress. Do not let a single hour pass without contributing to the strength of your own character. The path of the individual is often cold and lonely, but it leads to heights that the herd will never even dream of. Time is the only thing you truly own. Do not spend it begging for attention or crying over those who chose to leave you. Look deeply into your own soul. The person you see there is the only one who can truly save you from your own darkness. Set your boundaries and protect your peace. Not everyone deserves access to your thoughts, your energy, or your time in this life. Be the light in your own darkness. Even when the world is pitch black, your inner flame can guide you to safety and wisdom. Rise above the petty grievances of the day. From the height of your inner citadel, the storms below look like nothing more than mist. Victory is not the absence of struggle, but the ability to remain unbroken by it. You have already won by choosing to stand. The loudest roar is the silence of a man who has mastered himself. Let your results be the noise that wakes the world. Be the bridge that remains steady while the waters of emotion surge beneath you. Your stability is your greatest gift to yourself. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay stoic. The world may turn its back, but you are moving forward toward your own ultimate destiny. Walking alone does not mean you are lost. It means you are strong enough to find your own way without a map. Carve your principles into your heart. Let them be the foundation of everything you do, from the moment you wake until you sleep. You are the lighthouse in your own life. When others are lost in the fog of opinion, your reason remains a clear signal. The fire inside you must burn brighter than the fire around you. Feed it with discipline, wisdom, and the courage to be alone. Deep roots are grown in the harshest conditions. Your solitude is the soil that will make you unshakable in the face of any storm. Complexity is for the weak. Simplicity is for the wise. Strip away the noise and find the power in the basic truths of existence. Your education never ends. Read the masters, study the greats, and then put the books down to live what you have learned today. There is a profound beauty in being a witness to life without needing to be the center of its attention or drama. Do not fear the darkness of being alone. It is the only place where the stars of your own genius can truly shine. Let your character be your compass. No matter how many people try to pull you off course, your internal north remains true. Preparation is the key to confidence. Spend your solitude sharpening your mind so you are ready for whatever battle comes next. The view from the top is only for those who are willing to climb the path that most people are too afraid to take. Acceptance is not weakness, it is the ultimate form of strength. It is the ability to say yes to life exactly as it is. Every second you spend worrying about the opinions of others is a second of your life you will never get back again. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Learn to feel the power of the elements without being broken by their force. The world can only break you if you give it permission. Revoke that permission today and become the master of your own soul. Let go of the expectations of others. They are weights that prevent your spirit from rising to the heights it was meant for. Your life is your own adventure. Do not let the scripts written by society dictate the story you are meant to live. Be the rock. Let the waves of life's drama crash against you and wash away, leaving you as solid and firm as before. Your actions are your signature. Make sure they represent a man of dignity, strength, and unwavering internal peace in all things. The world is changing, but the principles of the wise remain eternal. Root yourself in the ancient truths, and you will thrive. Wear your scars as medals of honor. They show that you have faced the world and emerged with your spirit intact and stronger. Perspective is the cure for suffering. When you see how small your problems are in the cosmic scale, you find instant relief. Solitude is a choice you make to become better. It is the ultimate investment in the one person who will always be with you. Do not fear the journey into the unknown. The most valuable treasures are often hidden in the places where others are afraid to look. The heart of a lion beats in the chest of anyone who chooses to stand alone for the sake of their own truth. You have the power. You have the strength. You have the discipline. Go out now and live like the warrior you were born to be. Thank you for walking this path with us today. Remember your fortress, keep your silence, and we will meet again in the next video.